iMessage not working on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max after the latest iOS update. So whether message won't send, iMessage won't activate, or you are not receiving iMessages. Don't panic, here the most effective fixes to get your iMessage working again like this. So first you have to open up your settings, go to all the way to apps. Then here you have to search for messages, and when you find it, just go to send and receive option. Now make sure your phone number and Apple account email address are selected. So if you can't find it, your email or phone number, just add it right from here. So after that, now go back one screen and refresh your iMessage. Now turn it iMessage off, wait about 10 to 15 seconds here, and then turn it back on. After refresh your iMessage, now you just have to check your network connection. So for that, open Control Center, turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. And if you are using cellular data, go to Settings, then Cellular, and turn your cellular line off from here. Wait about few seconds, then turn it back on. After that, the settings you have to check from your settings, then tap on your Apple account. Now go to iCloud. From this section, you have to search for messages, and now make sure messages in iCloud is turned on so your messages can sync properly across all your Apple devices. And after this, just try your iMessages, it's working well, or you still stuck in the same situation. And in that case, if it's still not working, now check your date and time settings. For that, go to Settings, then General, and from here go to Date and Time. And here you have to make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If iMessage still isn't working, just force restart your iPhone. Quickly press volume up button once, then volume down buttons, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. But if the problem continues in your site again and again, the thing you have to do, just go to Settings, then General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset here, then choose Reset Network Settings first. If that doesn't fix your issue, just go back and tap Reset All Settings. Then confirm it, and don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps, or other important data. It only reset your Wi-Fi, network, and other custom system settings. So after reset your iPhone, you just have to connect your Wi-Fi and other things that are turned off. And lastly, the thing you can do, just open up your App Store, then here search for Apple support. Just install it if it's not already on your phone. Now from here, after set it up, just choose your iPhone. Then from the topic, you have to choose message. And then you will find many options. Contact your carrier if the issue is related to activation, or start a conversation if you fix another problem. So as a final step, you can also try signing out of your Apple account and then sign in back in. This actually can refresh your account and may resolve your iMessage not working issues. So hopefully one of these fix your problem. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.